Hello students, in this video I want to clarify on two physical quantities, and both of them you have studied in chapter called motion along a straight line. So the first one is displacement. This is the first physical quantity that I want to explain a little further, because when I ask students what is displacement, I have heard many of them replying displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. So let us see whether this is correct or not. So there are 2 points A and B, and a body is now going from A to B. First of all, displacement is change of position. So basically displacement means change of position, nothing else. So this body can go from A to B along a path like this, along another path like this, or even along a straight line path like this one. Let us call this as 1, this as 2, and this path as 3. So in all these 3 paths, even whatever be the path of the body follows from A to B, finally he will reach B after starting from A. Even though the paths, the distances traveled by the body may be different. So if you ask me what is the displacement of the body, in all the 3 cases the displacement has to be the same, because displacement is basically change of position. So the displacement is the same for all the 3 paths. Then is it correct to say that displacement is equal to shortest distance between 2 points? Because many students think that displacement is path 2. Now I will tell you why that is not correct, because when you write displacement equal to shortest distance between 2 points, shortest distance between 2 points, the problem is, as you all know, displacement is a vector. Displacement is distance traveled along a particular direction. So it has got a magnitude and a direction. So this quantity on your left hand side is a vector, and look at the quantity on the right hand side. Whether it is shortest distance or longest distance, distance is basically a scalar. So by writing this, you are indirectly saying that a vector equal to a scalar, which cannot be possible, which can never happen. A vector can never be equal to a scalar, but unfortunately that is what we have written here. So how should we correct this? It's very simple. All we have to write is that the modulus or the magnitude of the displacement is equal to the shortest distance between 2 points. So you see, there is a lot of difference between saying that displacement equal to shortest distance between 2 points and magnitude of the displacement equal to the shortest distance between 2 points. So that is the correct way of saying what displacement is. Okay. The next quantity which I want to clarify further is another quantity that is very closely related to displacement, and it is called velocity. So the second quantity which I want to clarify is velocity. Again, when I ask students about velocity, many of them said velocity is rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Many students will say, majority of them will say velocity equal to rate of change of displacement. What is wrong in saying like that, or what is not correct in saying like that? You see, rate of change of a physical quantity is the change of that physical quantity with respect to time. And you all know that velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement divided by time. Now, I told you rate of change of a physical quantity is the change of the physical quantity with respect to time. Now, what is changing here? Is it the displacement that is changing or something else that is changing? Let us see. What is displacement? Displacement is change of position. Displacement is change of position. So this is change of position by time. So it is not the displacement that is changing, but the position that is changing. So what is velocity? Velocity is rate of change of position. This is rate of change of position, not rate of change of velocity. Sorry, not rate of change of displacement. So velocity is basically rate of change of position.